Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have an X5 xDrive30d M Sport finished in Tanzanite Blue Metallic. It has 22-inch M double-spoke bicolour alloy wheels with M Sport brakes and blue brake calipers, enhancing the M Sport look and feel. In the rear windows it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. It has a reverse camera, assisting you with parking and reversing, as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. It has an electric boot lid for safe and easy access when you may struggle to open or close it manually. Moving on to the interior, it has the Black Sensafin upholstery and front heated sport seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. It also has the highly desired head-up display, which displays relevant information to the driver so they don't have to take their eyes off the road. If you're interested in learning more about this X5 xDrive30d M Sport, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.